Hey guys, it's Joey here, and I'm bringing you another video. Here's me reacting to this funny video. They say that cats are afraid of cucumbers. Let's see if the majority of cats on YouTube are scared of cucumbers, because we would eat all the cats in the world, and that would take, like, forever. So, let's just watch the video. I'll be reacting, although you won't see my face. I don't have a really good... I have a good recorder, just, it won't see my face. Okay, cucumber. Scared cat. Cat's just like, water? He's like, no cucumber is going to scare me. It's just a vegetable. Although I really don't know what... Oh, the black cat. The black cat. The unlucky cat. Got it. Oh, look. A cat. A gato. What? Oh, look at the cat. Just eating it. Eating the food. I knew it. I knew it. Look at that. The cat, the gato is not afraid. It's not afraid. The gato wins that round. Look at the cat. Le cat. Le gato. Flying right through the sky. That guy's just like, I just don't want to be messed around. Oh, that cat is not afraid. Is not afraid. But that cat is. Oh, I've seen this one. I've seen this clip. I'm not gonna spoil it for you, but this is about 3 seconds. The cat right there is no gato, no gato. It's just like the cats are just like. It's not phased. Just like the guy said. Okay. A still stance. Okay, the cat's eating. Just minding its own business. Oh no, a dog! The cat is not phased. That cat is also not phased. Let's go back to that one. No, not this one. Okay. Dang dog. I love dogs. This puppy is just like, I want this for eating. That cat's also not phased, and we've seen this. But let's see this cat. This gato. It loses. The cat, the black cat, the unlucky cat versus coocumber. Oh, I thought we were gonna have a winner there. Okay, that's the video. Goodbye and good night. Buenos dias, buenos noches, or buenas tardes, buenos dias.